young girls, missing. Please, if you have any information, contact me. How many of you have seen status like that recently? You? You've seen? I beg. When I entered Taxify in Abuja, as I entered, the Taxify that I booked, I screenshot the details of the Taxify. I sent it to her. Do you know what the call is? Hello? I just came down now. I'm in a taxi on my way to the hotel. I have forwarded you the details of my Taxify driver. I did not call her, but I made a fake call. I have forwarded you the details of my Taxify driver. The phone number, the car plate number. I'm on my way to the hotel. When I get to the hotel, I will call you. In case you plan something. When you hear say your details don't go, that plan will change. Use them. If you must enter Taxify, make sure there is somebody that knows the details of the car you entered. A lot of happenings. God opened my eyes to see a lot of dangerous things are happening through this Taxify thing. People are being killed. People are being kidnapped through this Taxify. Are you hearing what I'm telling you? Number 2, sir, ma. Those of now where they ball. If you must ball, make sure people know where they are playing the ball to. You must have a friend that you tell where you are going to. Because he already knows where he is. It's simple. Oyamuna come, I go pick on her. He's just blocked. Not with him or with one of the children. Straight. He took charge of the situation. I was not around. He was able to take charge of the situation. But if nobody for your family or among your friends know where you dey and who you call tell, now him plot your downfall. There's problem, oh. You see me here? If I'm not there, my house, at this site. If I'm not this site, at the church. Simple. Allow your house may contain you. Are you hearing what I'm saying? Dangerous things are happening. Have no friend and trust what? Nobody. I want you to watch out. What I'm telling you will be exposed physically. I prayed one prayer point. That day I fasted and I prayed it. I said, God, let this be exposed. Let this be exposed. I saw they were human flesh was what they were eating. At this stage, in this state, there is no love for one another. And the heart of man, because it is wicked, they can pick a knife and start slaughtering the throats of their fellow human being until he cut finish. They will not stop. If there's anything you should fear, it's not a lion. It's not a tiger. It's a human being. Be on your feet. God, deliver me and my house. Deliver me and my children from the hands of wicked and unreasonable men. Listen to me. You enter cab, Taxify. I beg, make I park, talk to my brother. Bros. As they park, jump down. Pay him another ride. Are you hearing what I'm telling you? Pay him and order another ride. You don't take cab already. Shatter. Then another person won't enter the motor where you'd already pay for. And you call saying a good you won't do. Think about it now. You go die through way. I am not a wicked person. I only love my life. Are you hearing what I'm saying? You enter taxi. As you enter taxi, motor they move. In fact, please, you want to enter taxi, this one can't come down. Now man sit down for the edge, he can't come down. He can't say go inside. Another person did there. Tell them say, I'll wait for the other one. And make sure as we are talking, you are giving a very reasonable distance. Oga, go. Go. Are you hearing me? If you enter taxi, make sure you are very, very alert. You are alert. No, they chat. As you sit down for front, you wait the front, you sit down for front. Make sure you are mindful of those who are behind you. Number 2, if you suspect that the faces are strong, this is the first thing you must do. Make sure your hand is like this until you come down. For those of you who are not seeing me, like this. What are they here? You know why I'm saying your hand is like this? Right now, what they use in kidnapping people for ritual is chloroform. Chloroform. It's very simple. It's a very simple thing. It's already in the handkerchief. As we are seated at the front, if you sit down for taxi, people dey your back. The kind faces where they, he get the way he be. What that woman dey or woman not dey, bros, something they smell. Until you come down, guide them. You notice say hand, they come. Are you hearing what I'm saying? Chop up, as you they chop up, they elbow the door, they open. And they shout. Are you hearing me? I love you alive. And I want you to be with me. Let us grow and prosper together. Nothing will cut your own life short. Nothing will cut my life short. Nothing will cut the life of your 100% righteous family members short. Same with mine. But the one we say that you and I, the one key, they go. Are we ready to pray? Father, deliver me and my house from wicked and unreasonable men. Lift up your voice, clap your hands, and pray this prayer point now.